Hi! In front of me is OPPO A57s, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this device. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down, then access Privacy section. Now you need to click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features that you wish to manage, in my case calendar. Now select an app. I will go with maybe Gmail, and select one of those options, allow or don't allow. I will go with don't allow because we don't have a lot to work with, so now I have to click on it, choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up, and when I go back, as you can see, Gmail no longer has access to my device's calendar. But if you wish to, you can always go back, select any feature, and then look for an app that you are interested in. I will go with location in order to manage my maps. Now you can scroll all the way down and click on See All Maps Permissions. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!